morning students. This video is for class 2 children and the subject is GK. Okay, and after the summer vacation it is the first video, so I have written here part 1. Now before the summer vacation we have completed till chapter 8, so now I am going to start with chapter number 9. So if you open your book, page number 20, chapter number 9 is there, and the name of this chapter is, it is written here, Feathered Friends. So feathered friends, that means this chapter is all about the birds, because all of you know that birds are having feather. So birds, if at the top of the page you can see a box is there, some important note is written there, so I am just going to read out that note so you can understand little bit about this chapter. There are birds around everywhere, some living in forests, some are in parks, and some are in garden and near our homes, and some even sharing space with us in our homes. So different type of birds are there all around us. Some are living in forest, some are living in parks, some are in gardens, and some are sharing the space in our home. So some are, we can say that some are living with us at our home. So some pictures are given here. You have to just look at the picture, read out the clue and write down the answer. So one by one I am going to just read out the clue and writing the answer. You have to identify the particular bird, which is that. First one. I am active at night. I say cock a doodle doo. Which bird is this? I am active at night. I say cock a doodle doo. We can say that it is a rooster. Okay, so you write down the answer, a rooster. Second one, I am the national bird of India. All of you know which is the national bird of India. Yes, peacock. Number 3, I can imitate the sounds you make. Which bird is? I can imitate the sounds you make. It is parrot. All of you familiar with this bird, parrot. Number 4, I say quack. Which bird is this? Which bird is saying quack? It is duck. Number 5, I say cuckoo. Which bird is this? Which is saying cuckoo? So the answer is, we can write here cuckoo. The name of that bird is cuckoo. Number 6, I like to eat fish. Which bird is liking to eating fish? That is the kingfisher. 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 The next one in number 7. Number 7 is, I make holes in trees. Which bird is making holes in trees? The answer is woodpecker. Woodpecker. Number 8, I am bold and clever. Which bird is bold and clever and also black in color? It is crow. Number 9, I can fly backwards but I can't walk. Which bird is this? Which can fly backwards but it can't walk? It is hummingbird. Hummingbird. So once again I'm just repeating the answer. What you do, you just take out your pencil and start writing the answer in your book, and then after you just start writing it in your GK copy with the clue and the answer. I am active at night. I say cock-a-doodle-doo. The answer is rooster. Second one, I am the national bird of India. Which bird is this? Peacock. Third one, I can imitate the sounds you make. Which bird is this? Parrot. Number 4, I say quack. Which bird is this? Duck. Number 5, I say cuckoo. Which bird is this? But the name of that bird is again cuckoo. Number 6, I like to eat fish. Which bird is this? Kingfisher. Number 7, I make holes in trees. Which bird is this? Woodpecker. Number 8, I am bold and clever. Which bird is this? Crow. Number 9, I can fly backwards but I can't walk. Which bird is this? Hummingbird. So this is about this chapter, clues and with the clues, and by watching the picture you have to identify the name of that particular bird. Some bird facts are given there in page number 21. One by one I am going to explain it. How are some interesting facts about birds? The ostrich lays the largest egg. The ostrich lays the largest eggs in the world. Kiwi bird is blind, so it hunts by smell. Kiwi bird is blind and it hunts by smelling something. An owl can turn its head almost a complete circle, but it cannot move its eyes. An owl can turn its head in complete circle. Birds do not have teeth. Do you know why? Teeth are heavy and would make it very difficult for them to fly. Birds are not having the teeth because teeth are heavy and it makes difficult to fly on air. The next one, the hummingbird lays the smallest egg. The biggest eggs are laid by this ostrich, and the hummingbird is laying smallest egg. A pelican's pouch like beak can store a lot of water. The last one, parrots are the only birds that can eat with their feet. Parrots are the only birds that can eat with their feet. So these are the different facts about birds. You have to just read out and keep remembering it in your memory so that you can write it in your exam when it comes. The questions are coming from this chapter with this birds facts. So this is all about for today's class. You just write down all these things in your copy, and thank you and have a nice day.